What's up, guys? Welcome back to Investing with Paco. Today, I will show you how to buy the Evergrow token through your Trust wallet through PancakeSwap. So, this is going to help out to all those kind of people out there that are trying to buy these altcoins that are in PancakeSwap and you can't buy in the traditional exchanges. So, if this is a video you might be interested, please consider hitting the subscribe button and let's get this video started. So, it's going to be a nice, quick, simple video on how to buy the Evergrow token step by step. Only thing is, since I am doing it on my computer, I couldn't really screen record my phone for reasons that it just doesn't want to work. So I will show you on the screen that we have here, but it won't be logged in. But it will give you an idea like exactly what to do, to be honest, because it has pictures. And also, if you get lost from all my instructions, just I will on the description down below. I will do step by step, like exactly every step that you need to do in order to buy the Evergrow tokens. So let's get started. So first, step number one, if you don't have the Trust wallet, go to your apps marketplace and download the Trust wallet. But just note this, I do have an iPhone, so these instructions are meant for iPhone users, but I would imagine that the other platforms like Google and Android are similar. But just to give you an idea, this is just for an iPhone. Okay, so you're gonna go and download Trust Wallet. Once you download Trust Wallet, you're gonna do the normal procedures of any other platform. Sign up, and also remember to save your keys somewhere. Write it down and save it somewhere. You do not want to lose those keys. So once you have the Trust Wallet, you're gonna open it up, and it's gonna show just like this on the screen. Let me zoom in, that way you can kind of see it better. So you're gonna see it just like this. And what we need to do is we need to buy the Binance Smart chain coin. And as you can see here on the screen, it's not on the screen. You do see Binance coin, but we need to buy the Smart chain version of it. So well, if you don't see it on your main screen, right here in the top right section of the screen, you're gonna click on this. Once you click on it, it's gonna give you a list of cryptos, and then you'll see the Smart chain. And all you have to do is switch it on and then go back, and if it's switched on, you'll see it on the main section. And what you're going to do here, this is the simple version of it, is you're going to click on buy crypto, and you're going to click on the Smart chain, and you're going to click on the amount of the dollar amount that you're trying to buy of the Smart chain. It could be like anywhere. I think it has to be a minimum of $50, I think. Just remember that Trust Wallet do charge like really high fees to do transactions. So my recommendation would be, if you have Binance, like the exchange, go on the platform, buy Binance Smart Chain on there, and then just transfer over the coins to the Trust Wallet. That way you save on fees, and it's a win-win. But if you don't know how to do that, just do it this way. I mean, you'll lose money this way because you're gonna be paying it in fees, but this is the easiest way. So once you buy in, you'll have the amount of the Smart Chain coins that you bought. Could be $50, $100, whatever, right? So you got step number one down, right? So before on the iPhones, there used to be this tab right here on the bottom section where it says D apps, but currently after like the latest updates, they removed that for some reason. I don't know why. And all this tab was like a web extension of the web browser, but there's really no issue if you don't have that. The solution to that is go to pancakeswap.finance on your on your Safari, and then this is gonna show up, and what you're gonna have to do is push connect wallet. And once you push connect wallet, it's gonna pop up this what wallet to connect. And since we're talking about Trust Wallet, click on Trust Wallet, right? Obviously it's gonna say error for me because I'm not logged in. But you're going to click on Trust Wallet, and it's going to automatically detect your Trust Wallet if it's logged in, right? For me, it took a couple tries because sometimes it failed the connection. For you, it could be the first shot, so just keep trying. Once it connects to your Trust Wallet, it's going to say, it's connected on your Trust Wallet. Then you go back to PancakeSwap, which is on the screen, and what you're going to do is you're going to see a screen just like this, right? And it depends on the amount of money that you have on on Binance. You're going to click the amount here, and it's going to automatically give you a quantity of the EGC token. But I know what you're saying is like we need to find the EGC token first. So the way you find it, if you don't see it on PancakeSwap, is you have to copy and paste the address right here. And I will have the address down below in the description. You can also find it online if you want, but I will leave the address down in the description. That way you can just copy and paste it and put it on your PancakeSwap. So you're going to copy and paste it. So let me see if it shows up if I do it here. Copy, paste, and there we go. You're going to push EGC and you're going to push import. And then you're going to push I understand. It's just some warnings. You know, if it's your first time buying it, obviously you're watching it, it's because it is. You're going to push import. And then now you see we have EGC down below. So we're going to swap the Binance to EGC. So the issues that I would have is obviously you'll push buy or whatever swap, and they will pop up like an error message saying they can't estimate the gas fees. The reason for that is that you have to increase the slippage account, slippage amount, and the way you do that is you go to this tab where it says settings, and then this is gonna pop up. And what you need to fix is the slippage tolerance. It's automatically set to 0.5, but you need to update it to at least 12%. So it's gonna give you an option here. Just type in 12%. Anywhere, anything above 12%. You don't want to go super high, but I would say start at 12. If it doesn't work, do a 13%. But for me, I think 12% did work. So click 12% and then make sure you disable multi-hops. And then you're going to go back and you're going to redo it. If it fails again and it says the same error code, another thing that helped me a lot was round down the number of EGC tokens. So let's say you're buying 1,252,050 tokens, right? What I do is I just round down to like an even number of like 1,200,000 tokens, right? At a slippage of 12%. And then I'm gonna swap it, buy it, and then it's gonna, if it goes through and it doesn't give you error message, you'll get a notification on your Trust wallet saying about the transfer over to the Trust wallet, right? So now we go back to the Trust wallet, which was right here. And if you have notifications set on your phone, you click on it and it's going to take you to the transaction of the swap, and it will either say fail, pending, or completed. Obviously what we need to say is completed. Once it's completed, you technically have the coin now. It swapped the Binance to EGC. So you're going to go back to your main menu of the Trust wallet, and you're going to see this. But you're like, wait a second, I don't see EGC token, because it happened to me. I was like, what? So remember in the beginning how you couldn't see the smart chain token either? Well, EGC is also hidden. So you have to go back into the top right section, click on this tab right here. And if you still don't see it, you're going to have to copy and paste the address again of the EGC token. You're going to push paste, copy, and then you'll see EGC token. And then all you have to do is switch the tab to unlock it. You go back, and then there you go. You'll have EGC on your wallet with the amount of tokens that you own. And yeah, guys, I hope you enjoy. I hope that was helpful. Comment down below if it is, and let me know if you got lost. Like I said, I will put in the description everything step by step. That way you don't get lost. And feel free to reach out to me if you are confused on how to buy it. Just comment down on the comment section. I do reply to every single one that comments on my videos. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoy. Subscribe right here, and also go like that. Go also watch that video coming up next. We're almost at 2,000 subscribers. Hopefully get there soon, and we'll see you till next time. Peace.